Here's a concise 4-minute overview of 5th and 6th generation fighter jets as of 2025, including key players, capabilities, and trends. Airplane departure overview, Gen fighter jets in 2025. Military metal. What are generation fighter jets? 4th gen 1970s to 1980s, F-15, F-16, Su-27. Focus on maneuverability and radar. 5th gen 2000s, present, F-22, F-35. Introduce stealth, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare. 6th gen coming mid-2030s, under development AI, optionally manned, advanced stealth, and drone teaming. Eagle 5th generation jets in 2025. United States F-35 Lightning II USA. Still the most widely deployed 5th gen jet in 2025. Comes in 3 variants: A, B, C for Air Force, Marines, and Navy. Features: stealth, sensor fusion, advanced electronic warfare, distributed operations, networked warfare. Russia Su-57 fell in Russia. Russia's first stealth fighter, now entering serial production. Features: super maneuverability, 3D thrust vectoring, some stealth, but not on par with F-22 F-35. China Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. China's stealth fighter, now fully operational in growing numbers. Features: long-range interception, stealth and sensor fusion. Focused on countering US and regional rivals in the Indo-Pacific. Rocket 6th generation fighters in development. United States NGAD Next Generation Air Dominance. Successor to F-22, expected in the 2030s. Features: optionally manned, loyal wingman drones, directed energy weapons, laser microwave in concept, advanced AI, stealth, and sensors. United Kingdom Japan Italy GCAP Tempest. Joint program by the UK, Japan, and Italy. 6th gen fighter with modular design, AI, and drone teaming. Aimed to fly by 2035. European Union FCAS France, Germany, Spain. Future combat air system with manned and unmanned platforms. Full stealth, smart cockpits, AI integration. Timeline: 2040 plus for full deployment. Globe with meridians. Key trends in 2025. AI and autonomy, increasing integration of AI for decision-making and sensor data management. Manned unmanned teaming, pilots working with autonomous drones, loyal wingmen. Cyber and EU electronic warfare, fighters becoming mobile ECM platforms. Global proliferation, more countries developing or buying 5th gen jets. India, South Korea, Turkey. Magnifying glass. Tilted left. Summary. Generation. Key features. Examples: 5th general stealth, sensor fusion, data links. F-35, Su-57, J-20. 6th general AI, drones, directed energy. NGAD, GCAP, FCAS. Compass outlook. By 2025, 5th gen fighters are the backbone of modern air forces, while 6th gen programs are setting the stage for the next evolution focused on autonomy, AI, and a battle network ecosystem. Want a visual comparison chart or global deployment map? Just ask. Certainly. Here's your fighter jet overview 2025, rewritten using clear headings and bullet points for easier skimming and presentation. Airplane departure overview, fighter jet generations 2025. Small Blue Diamond fighter jet generations explained. 4th generation 1970s to 1990s. Examples: F-15, F-16, MiG-29, Su-27. Focus: maneuverability, radar-guided missiles. 5th generation 2000s, present, examples, F-22, F-35, Su-57, J-20. Features, stealth, sensor fusion, advanced avionics. 6th generation 2030s projected. Features, AI integration, drone teaming, optionally manned, energy weapons. Eagle active 5th generation fighters 2025. United States F-35 Lightning II USA. Most deployed 5th gen fighter globally. 3 variants, F-35A Air Force, F-35B Stafflo, F-35C Carrier. Key features, stealth and reduced radar signature. Sensor fusion and situational awareness. Advanced electronic warfare systems. Multinational use, UK, Japan, Israel, etc. Russia Su-57 fell in Russia. Russia's answer to the F-22 F-35. Entering full production in 2025. Key features, moderate stealth with advanced aerodynamics. 3D thrust vectoring. Designed for air superiority and strike missions. China J-20 Mighty Dragon China. China's first stealth fighter, in full service. Continuously upgraded with domestic engines and avionics. Key features, long-range interception role. Radar-evading airframe. Strong sensor suite for beyond visual range combat. Rocket 6th generation fighters under development. United States NGAD Next Generation Air Dominance. F-22 Replacement Program. Expected in early 2030s. Key features, optionally